Always handle the printer with the equipment turned off and the power cable disconnected before working on any component. If you need to disconnect cables or tubes, take a photo before starting to ensure correct reconnection afterward. Always protect the environment and the printer. Wear gloves if you need to handle tubes, dampers, or any other component that contains ink, as it can be corrosive. Avoid contact between the ink and electronic components, as it may cause damage. In this video, we will show you how to replace the motherboard of the InkOne UM4 printer. First, open the rear panel of the printer. Next, unplug the cables. Before doing so, you can take a photo as a reference to remember their positions. Some cables may be covered with adhesive. If so, remove or clean the adhesive before unplugging them. Once all the cables have been disconnected, unscrew and remove the motherboard. Before installing the new board, check it to make sure there is no visible damage. Now install the new motherboard and tighten the screws to secure it properly. Then reconnect all the cables. Make sure the X-axis and Y-axis power cables are connected to their corresponding ports. Check that all cables are securely connected and firmly in place. Finally, reassemble the rear panel of the printer.